Welcome back students to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel again. So we are discussing regarding the HCF. HCF again, I am reminding you the full form of HCF is highest common factor. Now here we have to find the HCF of 24, 64 and 428. HCF means the highest common factor, means the highest number which can divide all these three numbers completely. I told you there are three methods. First one, the listing the factors method. Second one is the long division. Third one is the division by common factor. So first of all, we will start again with the listing the factors method, because I got the information that some of the students are not understanding these methods. So that's why I am giving you again one more example how to find HCF by these three methods. So first of all, we have to find the factors of these three numbers. 24, I have already written here the calculations. Now what we will do, 24 divided by 1, 24 by 2, 3, 4, then 6. Then 4 is being repeated here, 6 is being repeated here, so we will stop here. Here we will make one box. In this box there will be all the factors. Similarly here, 64 divided by 1, 2. It cannot be divided by 3, then 4, then by 8. So 8 is being repeated. So you will stop here, and these will be the factors. Here again, for 128, 8 is being repeated here, 16 is being repeated here. So we will not proceed further, and these will be the factors. So first of all, we will list the factors. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factors of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 60, 32 and 64. Factors of 128 are given here: 1, 2, 4, 8, 60, 32, 64, 128. Now we have to find the factors which are common. Common in all three, जो तीनों में आ रहे हैं. 1 is coming in all, 2 is coming in all, 3 is coming here but not coming here, 4 is coming all. Now 6 is coming here, not here, then 8. Afterwards, no common factor. 32 is here, 32 is here, 32 is here, but 32 is not here. So that's why we will not consider the number which is coming in all these three. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now we are not supposed to find the common factor. We are supposed to find the HCF, means highest common factor. Now these are the common factor. Which is the highest one? That is 8. So 8 is the HCF of these three numbers, 24, 64 and 128, by listing the factors method. Now we will use the second method and we will see whether the answer will be same or not. What is the name of second method? I told you previously the second method is long division method. Long division method. In this method, first of all, we have to arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Already ascending. 24 is the shortest one, smallest one, and 128 is the largest one. So what we will do? We will start dividing. We will start from the smallest. Smallest will be the divisor, and then the second one will be the dividend. So we will divide by 24. 24 will get 24 to the 48, 24, 3 is 72, means 2 times. And we will get here 16. Now 16, now the remainder will become the divisor. And what was the divisor previously will become the dividend. Now 24. This 24 will come here. Now it becomes the dividend. Now 16 with the 16. Now what is remaining? 8. Yes or no? Now the 8 is remaining. Now we are supposed to follow the same rule. What was the divisor previously? 16. Now 16 will come here. 8 to the 16. Now we got the remainder 0. Now by which divisor we got? इससे डिवाइड करने के बाद हमें रिमाइंडर मिला 0, 8. सो उसी नंबर से हमें लास्ट बचे हुए नंबर को डिवाइड करना है. किससे डिवाइड हुआ? 8 से. नंबर क्या बचा हुआ है? 128. तो 8 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे. 8 बचा 8 4 8 8 6 is 48. Again the remainder is 0. So when we get the remainder 0 in all the cases, then the divisor will be the HCF. So again we are getting the HCF 8. So these are the two methods. Now one more method is remaining. You should think as I am clearing the board what is the name of that method. Whether you recall the name of the third method, if not, then I am telling you the name of the third method. That is the division by the common factor. Division by common factor. Again, I will write all these numbers: 24, 64, 128. This table will remind you that you are calculating the LCM, but here we are not calculating the LCM. In LCM, we are taking any number and dividing the given number. Here we will not do like that. We are supposed to select the number which can divide all three numbers. Keep in mind, we are supposed to select the number carefully so that it should divide all the given numbers. So I told you the divisibility rules also. So here all the numbers are ending with the even numbers. So these numbers are divisible by 2. Now again we have to select one number which can divide all these three numbers. So all are ending with the even numbers. So again we can divide by 2. Again these numbers can be divided by 2. Now 8 and 16 can be divided by 2, but 3 cannot be divided by 2. Or 3, 8 and 16 cannot be divided by 3. So there is no number which can divide all these three numbers completely. So we will stop here. We will keep dividing until or unless all the numbers being divided by any of the numbers. They started with 2, after 2, 3 can be there, 4, any number can be there, but all these three numbers should be divided completely. So 3, 8, 16 cannot be further divided by a single number. वो एक नंबर से किसी से भी ये तीनों नंबर 3, 8 और 16 डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते हैं. Then we will stop here only. So now we will calculate the HCF, and HCF will be 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now again by the third method also we got the same answer, 8. So stay tuned and try to practice the questions. I will give you one more question for practice, that is you have to find the HCF. (24), (72) and 144. You have to find the HCF of 24, 72, 144 by all three methods: listing the factors method, long division method, and division by the common factor. At last, again I want to remind you, please try the questions at home, and if you are having any difficulty, then tell us through the phone call or by the WhatsApp messaging or by any other means. But you are supposed to utilize the time. At the same time, you should subscribe the channel. You should press the bell icon so that you should get the instant notification as soon as the new videos is being uploaded. Thank you very much.